Hello everyone, this is our project AI Ethical Checker for College Project, a small tool for identifying and mitigating ethical risks in student research, guided by Mr. Manikanda Prabhu, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, EGSPL Engineering College, presented by AI and DS students B. Ashwin Kumar, M. Manikandan and V. Ashwin. This is our problem statement. Many student project reports contain plagiarism and copied content. Most of the universities and colleges where copied contents that lead to most of the ethical risks occurs. By solving the problems, we suggest this project a ethical checker for student project and report. Some reports include biased and unethical information. Most of the universities copied the content that leads to unethical information also occur. Manual checking takes a lot of time and it's not always accurate. Personal or sensitive data may be misused without detection. For example, Gmail and phone numbers also may be misused by the ethical risk by copied content. This is our objective of the project to automatically detect plagiarism in student report. Uh, we can automatically detect the plagiarism in student reports and also to identify biased or unethical content using AI to detect misuse of personal or sensitive data. Already I told the Gmail or most of the sensitive data like phone numbers that have been also secured by using our project to provide suggestions to improve report quality by process the our by processing the project. It can able to provide a suggestion to improve our project quality. What are the things we have need to add, and this is our research gap. Existing tool mainly focus on only plagiarism detection. Very few tools analyze ethical issues in content. Bias detection is not properly implemented in current system. No proper tool designed specifically for student project report. These all are our research gap. And then existing work, Turnitin detects copied content but not ethical issues. It only detects the copied content but not ethical issues. It didn't detects the ethical issues. Grammarly, it provides give a suggestion to improve the grammar, like what are the grammar we we make mistakes. It can provide suggestion to improve our grammar. Basic AI tool, limited functionality and accuracy. Proposed to work, develop a complete AI-based system for report analysis, common plagiarism detection with ethical checking, identifying bias, harmful content, and sensitive data usage, provide smart suggestions for improvement. This is our literature survey. Navigation the ethical terrain of the AI generated text tools. A review. Author name is Muhammad Bashir Muhammad AE. Okay. Year 31 December 2024. These are finding evaluating language models like GPT-3, GPT-4, LAMDA, and PALM. Case studies about moral dilemmas and apply ethical theories in engineering education. Maria Jo Casani Goro and Mark Alia Format 19th May 2024. The study explores the integration of ethics education into engineering programs. On overview of artificial intelligence ethics, Kang Hyung, Jiok Jong, Bifio Mao, and Xing Yao. August 4, 2023, a summary of ethical principles such as transparency, fairness, privacy, and sustainability as fundamental to ethical AI. This is our dataset collection. Data collection from Kaggle sample student project report. These are a simple data section only collected for our project, ensuring data relevance and quality. Data pre-processing. These are the steps to what are the steps to involved in pre-processing? Remove null or missing values. By implementing the NLP, we can remove null values and missing values, cleaning unwanted characters and symbols, tokenization, splitting text into words. Tokenization generally used to splitting text into word. So we are using removing stop words, common words. Tools used pandas and numpy. These are the Python libraries. Feature engineering, extracting important keywords from text, converting text into numerical format. Term frequency, which is used to identify what are the words repeated, and IDF concept also. Inverse document frequency, selecting important features for model training. Model development. For model development, we using natural language processing techniques, applying classification algorithms. For that, we can provide the suggestion what are we have to need to add something like grammar, turn it in already I told. Designing models to detect bias and plagiarism, selecting best model based on the performance. For that NLP, we can choose the best model. Model implementation. These are the things we have to do to make our project. Programming language like Python, platform, Google Colab, libraries, scikit-learn, NLP libraries. Challenges faced: data quality, accuracy, and improvement. These are the challenges you have to face. Evaluation and refinement. Matrix used accuracy, precision, recall testing. Initial model performance, applying tuning techniques to improve results, achieving better accuracy after refinement. These are the conclusion of our project. Successfully developed an AI ethical checker system helps students improve report quality, saves times compared to manual checking. Future work: real-time analysis and advanced AI model. The main objective of our project is focusing on the copied content and provide the suggestion to reduce the risk for student research and project and also reports. Thank you.